students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your math teacher Anjali Dayya. Let's start our topic money. Sam and Ria want to buy a card and a gift for their parents' anniversary. The card costs rupees 20 and the gift costs rupees 250. Ria has rupees 125 in her piggy bank and Sam has rupees 150 in his piggy bank. Help them to know if they can buy both things for their parents. Money they need. For card they need rupees 20. For gift they need rupees 250. How much money they need? Total is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. 270 rupees. Now money they have. Ria has 125 rupees and Sam has 150 rupees. Total is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Rupees 275. कितना चाहिए? 270. उनके पास कितना है? 275. Yes, they can purchase. Do they have enough money to buy the things? Yes, they have. Now, Indian currency. We use money to pay for things and services. The type of money that is used in a country is called its currency. The Indian currency is known as rupees. And this is the symbol for rupees. It comes in the form of coins and notes. Now coins, 25 paise, 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 20 rupees coin. Now notes, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees and 500 rupees. Find and write. Find the currency of the given countries. USA, it's dollar. बाकी countries की आप currency find out करेंगे और लिखेंगे. Now next is learn with fun. Observe both sides of the 500 notes carefully. Read the clues and complete the crossword. Now first is color of the note is green. Now next is the person whose photograph is on it. Gandhi ji. G-A-N-D-H-I-G. Gandhi ji. Name of the monument printed on it. Name of the monument. कौन सा monument है? Red Fort. Now third is number of times Reserve Bank of India is written in English. Reserve Bank of India 1 and 2. 2 times. Now next, number of times 500 is written in English and Hindi. Fourth में यहाँ पे 1 and 2, 3 and और कितनी जगह लिखा है यहाँ पे भी कहीं लिखा होता है. Total is 6 times. Next, number of times 500 is written in words in Hindi and English, that is 5 times. Count कर लेंगे. Now next is write the currency in number and words. A, that is 20 rupees. Rupees 20. 20 rupees. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is combinations of money. Gitu buys some sweets and chocolates from a shop. The shopkeeper has to return rupees 3 to her. He gives these combinations of notes and coins to Gitu. 25 paise plus 25 paise plus 25 plus 25. 4 times 25 paise becomes 1 rupees and 4 times 50 paise becomes rupees 2. We can combine currency of small values in different ways to get a larger values. Let us see some more examples. Now 100 rupees का नोट है, या तो हम 50-50 के 2 नोट रखेंगे या एक 50 का और बाकी 2 20 के और 2 5-5 के नोट रख सकते हैं और 20 के 5 नोट्स रख सकते हैं. It becomes 100. Now fill in different combinations of money. A part 20 rupees. 20 rupees में 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 हो गए 20 रुपीज। नाउ नेक्स्ट 10 के हमें 2 नोट चाहिए या 2 कॉइन चाहिए टू मेक 20 रुपीज। तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज राइट T फॉर ट्रू एंड F फॉर फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट। A part, 5 notes of rupees 100 will make 400. No, 5 notes of 100 becomes 500. So it's false statement. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एडिशन ऑफ मनी। वी एड मनी in the same way as we add other numbers. Let us understand through some examples. 100 plus 50 plus 20 is equals to 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20 is 170. Or 180 rupees plus 250 rupees is equals to same way, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4, 430 rupees. 70 paise plus 90 paise, 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 7 is 16, that is 160 paise or 1 rupees 60 paise. Now Rahul bought a bat for rupees 180 and a ball for rupees 75. How much did he spend in all? So कैसे करेंगे, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे। 180 रुपीज प्लस 75 रुपीज, 5 8 प्लस 7 इज 15, 5 1 कैरी, 1 प्लस 1 इज 2, 255 रुपीज। सो आंसर इज Rahul spent rupees 255 in all. Now add the money. A part, 200 plus rupees 100, 200 plus 100, 300 plus 50 is rupees 350. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। Now next is subtraction of money. We subtract money in the same way as we subtract other numbers. Let us understand through some examples. 200 rupees minus 50. 200 में से 50 माइनस करेंगे तो रुपीज 150. ऐसे ही 600 rupees minus 150 rupees. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 not possible. We have to borrow. 6 becomes 5. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 450 rupees. 83 paisa minus 54 paisa. 3 minus 4 not possible. We have to borrow. 8 becomes 7 and 3 become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9 and 7 minus 5 is 2. 29 paise. Now Sweta has rupees 450. She buys a dress for rupees 375. How much money is left with her? टोटल कितना था 450 रुपीज, उसमें से कितने की ड्रेस है 375 की, माइनस किया तो हाउ मच लेफ्ट 75 रुपीज. सो 75 रुपीज इज लेफ्ट विद श्वेता. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट द मनी. ए पार्ट 50 रुपीज माइनस 20 रुपीज, रुपीज 50 माइनस रुपीज 20. 50 में से 20 माइनस करेंगे कितना बचेगा रुपीज 30. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ मनी. वी मल्टीप्लाई मनी in the same way as we multiply other numbers. 30 rupees multiply by 3, 3 0 0, 3 3s are 9, 90 rupees. 54 multiply by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, that is 108 rupees. Anup buys 9 chocolates. Each chocolate cost rupees 5. एक चॉकलेट 5 रुपए की है तो 9 कितने की आएगी 9 5s are 45. How much does Anup spend? Cost of one chocolate is 5. Cost of 9 chocolates is 5 multiplied by 9, that is equals to rupees 45. So Anup spent rupees 45. Now multiply the money. A part rupees 22 multiplied by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 88 rupees. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is think. Each papaya in the given basket cost rupees 25. Now what will be the cost of 2 papayas? 1 papaya cost rupees 25, so 2 papayas is 25 multiplied by 2 is equals to rupees 50. Next, how much will one basket of papayas cost? एक बास्केट में कितने हैं 1 2 3 4, 4 papayas, तो rupees 25 multiplied by 4 is equals to rupees 100. Now how much will 2 baskets of papayas cost? One basket is of 100 rupees, so 2 baskets, 2 multiplied by rupees 100, that is rupees 200. तो बच्चों, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. ट्राई इट अगेन योरसेल्फ.